You've been looking for the best time to harvest your cool season crops? Today's the day. Fresh from the garden, we are harvesting cabbage, spinach, turnips, and kale. First up, cabbage. You'll know it's ready when the head feels firm and tight. Give it a squeeze. If it's solid, it's time to harvest. Use a sharp knife and cut it at the base, leaving the outer leaves behind. Sometimes you'll even get a smaller side head later on. Next, spinach. This is one of the easiest crops to harvest. You can either pick the outer leaves for continuous growth or cut the whole plant at the base. Just make sure to harvest before it bolts, especially as temperatures start warming up. So here's our harvest of spinach. Pretty good. I'm happy with it. So this is the first harvest of these plants, which is why there's probably going to be a very large harvest. And finally, turnips. These are ready when the tops are 2 to 3 inches across. You don't want to wait too long or they can get tough. Pull them straight out of the soil, and don't forget, the greens also are edible. These are my mother-in-law's favorite greens to eat, so I planted 2 in the land guard raised bed here, and we're going to go ahead and harvest those 2. Now we're going to pull the biggest one, which is right here, and just going to grab it and pull it straight up. Shake off a lot of the dirt. I'm going to trim some of the leaves. And that's plant number 1. Hopefully you can see it. And here's the root. And here are all the roots down here. Now, when I get ready to process these, this part I will cut off, and I'll go ahead and peel the skin off and then dice it up. And here's the next one, and we're just going to pull it up just like we did the first one. Shake off some of the dirt. And as you can see, this was a very healthy plant. The roots are very long. The tops are nice and green. And as I said, they can be eaten, and we eat them quite frequently. Our final harvest for today, and as you can see, we got a lot from the grocery store. We got 8 heads of cabbage, a bunch of spinach, and about a bunch and a half to 2 bunches of kale and turnips. Overall, very productive harvest, and we're thankful to God for allowing us to get this. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know if you guys have had harvest of your final cool season crops like this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but the one thing I can't grow is this channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, Don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you're interested in any of the seeds or items used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both, as well as the affiliates that I'm associated with, are listed in the description portion of the video. Lastly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.